Hello and welcome to Cambridge Volkswagen. I'm Sean Thijssen, Sales Manager, and I'm here to talk to you about our Autobahn for All sales event. This unique Halo offer is a prepaid maintenance plan credit available on model year 2021 Golf, Jetta, GLI, Tiguan, Atlas Crossport, and full-size Atlas. What does prepaid maintenance mean? Well, it's 3 years or 45,000 kilometers in maintenance. So on a 15,000 kilometer yearly maintenance interval, once a year or once every 15,000 kilometers, you'll have coverage for either or the 3 services or 45,000 kilometers of servicing. Why prepaid maintenance? Well, prepaid maintenance gives you the lower total cost of ownership, gives you flexibility of pre-scheduled maintenance plans, as well as higher retained value should you choose to return the vehicle or trade it in to upgrade to a newer model. That's because our service technicians, certified, are working on them from day one. And for those of you who already own a Volkswagen, there's special loyalty and interest rates enhancements for 2021 Golf and Tiguans for lease and financing. For more information, contact our sales department at 519-621-8989 or click the link below and visit cambridgevolkswagen.com.